Hello students. Now next question is find out RS configuration given following structures. So already we know according to the CIP rules. First, what is the first rule? Priority group should be based on atomic number. And the second rule is the lowest priority group should be present on vertical line. So these are the main important rules, CIP rules. So now take the here. This compound having two chiral centers are there. This is one chiral center. This is also one chiral center. Chiral means what? The carbon surrounding four different groups are there. That compound is called chiral carbon. So this is chiral carbon. This carbon surrounding four different groups are there. That is one OH group, right side one OH group is there, and one carboxylic group, COH group, one hydrogen. Complete this group. So these are the chiral, here two chiral centers. Numbering we should start from 1, 2, 3, 4, because of both are same group, and both are top position also COH group is there, bottom position also COH group is there. So numbering we should start any side, up, down, from top to bottom or bottom to top. So any side. So I will take only from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here four carbons are there. So this is the chiral carbon. This chiral carbon directly attached with one oxygen, one OH group. This chiral carbon directly attached with COH group. This chiral carbon directly attached with left side one hydrogen. This chiral carbon directly attached with complete this group. So numbering we should start. First rule we know, that is the based on atomic number. This carbon directly attached with oxygen. So oxygen atomic number is 8. And this chiral carbon attached with this carbon atomic number 6, and downward also 6, and left side also hydrogen atomic number is 1. So out of these four, which one is bigger atomic number? Oxygen, the bigger atomic number is 8. So that's why this is first priority goes to OH group. First priority goes to OH group, and second priority goes to, here two groups are there. The carbon directly attached with, here also one carbon, downward also carbon. So here this second priority goes to COH group. Why? Because of this carbon having double bond like this, C double bond OH. So this is COH group. This COH group is double bond is there. So first priority goes to double bond. So this second priority goes to COH group. Then third priority goes to complete this group. Third priority goes to this group, and this is the hydrogen is the fourth priority. So here what is the direction here? What is the direction? That is from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 3. This is the direction from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 3. So this is the direction. So numbering we should start from 1, this is 2, this 3. So this is the anti-clockwise direction is there. This second carbon is anti-clockwise direction. Second carbon, the second chiral carbon having anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction is, that is S configuration. Anti-clockwise direction is S configuration. But here what is the rule here? What is the third rule? If in case lowest priority group present on horizontal line, here lowest priority group is hydrogen is the lowest atomic number. Hydrogen is the lowest group. So lowest group present on horizontal line. So here S configuration becomes R. So S configuration becomes R. R configuration becomes S. So here in second chiral center, this carbon least priority group, hydrogen least priority group present on horizontal line. This is horizontal line. So that's why this generally this anti-clockwise direction is there. This anti-clockwise direction is S configuration. But here least priority group present on horizontal line. So that's why S configuration becomes R. So that is, this is 2R. 2 means what about this 2 1? This is second carbon. So that's why 2R. So R configuration 2R. And what about this third carbon? This third carbon attached with OH group is there, hydrogen is there, COH group is there. So same thing. So this OH group first priority goes to OH group, and second priority goes to COH group, and third priority goes to complete this group, and fourth priority goes to hydrogen. So what is the order here? OH group first priority, because of this carbon directly attached with oxygen. So oxygen atomic number 8, so bigger atomic number. So that's why oxygen first priority. Second priority goes to COH. Third priority goes to this complete group. Fourth priority goes to hydrogen. So what is the direction here? 1, 2, 3. So this is the clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. 1, 2, complete these 3, and fourth group. this is clockwise direction. This clockwise direction means R configuration. But here least priority group present on horizontal line. Least priority group present on a horizontal line. So that's why R configuration becomes S. R's configuration becomes S. So this configuration is called 3S configuration. This is 3S configuration. So what is the first structure configuration? That is 2R comma 3S. 2R comma 3S. This is the simple trick, student. So here what is the reason here? Generally this is anti-clockwise, second carbon is anti-clockwise, but here S is there. So what, according to the CIP rule, least priority group present on horizontal line. So that's why S configuration becomes R. So that's why 2R. And third carbon, this third carbon having clockwise direction is there. Clockwise direction means R configuration, but least priority group present on horizontal line. So that's why R configuration becomes S. So that is 3S. This given structure 1 configuration is 2R 3S. 2R and 3S. So these are the simple tricks, students. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.